What time is it? What time is it? How you will answer this question in Russian language. In this video, I'll explain to you how you can answer this question. I will prove you that Russian language can be easy, simple, and at the same time difficult. Because in Russian language, in Russian speech, you can answer this question like very easy and at the same time very difficult. If you watch my channel first time, please subscribe to my channel, because on my channel I try to improve your skills in Russian language. Not waste time, let's go. First of all, you should know how you need to pronounce all Russian numbers in Russian conversation, Russian speech. If you don't know Russian numbers, please watch this video. I recorded video about Russian numbers. Please watch this video, it's very important if you want to know how you can answer this question. What time is it? And I suggest you to begin from easy. For example, you see that right now 9 o'clock. In Russian language, we can answer this question. What time is it? Very easy. Like 9:00. In Russian language, it sounds like 9:00. 9:00. Just 9:00. Or right now 10 o'clock. 10:00. 10:00. Just 10:00, very easy. 12:00, 12:00, 12:00, and so on. Of course, sometimes we can answer more differently, like for example now 10 o'clock, and we can answer сейчас 10 часов, 10 часов, or сейчас 11 часов. 11 часов. Сейчас 2 часа. 2 часа. Understand? But when we see in our watch that, for example, right now 10 hours and 10 minutes. In this situation, we can answer 10:10. What time is it? 10:10. 10:10. You see that? Very easy. Very simple. Or 10:25. 10:25. I told you that you in this moment you should know only Russian numbers, how you can pronounce all Russian numbers, and you will be able to answer this question very easy, very simple in Russian language. Or for example, right now, what time is it? 2:20. 2:20. What time is it? 2:20. Just call these Russian numbers in your Russian speech. Another situation. Right now 5:45. 5:45. What time is it? 5:45. Of course, in Russian language we can answer this question more difficult, more beautiful, like a real native Russian speaker. And when we see in our watch this kind of time, like right now, this kind of time, 9 o'clock and 30 minutes, exactly when we see 30 minutes. In this moment, we can answer this question like половина десятого, половина десятого, or полдесятого, полдесятого, половина десятого, or полдесятого. Another example. Половина одиннадцатого, половина одиннадцатого, half an hour, half an hour. You see that this we see 30 minutes, therefore we say половина одиннадцатого or пол одиннадцатого. What time is it? Пол одиннадцатого. Another example. Половина двенадцатого, половина двенадцатого or пол двенадцатого. What time is it? Пол двенадцатого, пол двенадцатого. Половина первого, половина первого or пол первого, пол первого. Половина второго, половина второго or пол второго, пол второго. Okay, right now I will explain to you more difficult ways how you can answer this question. For example, you right now see in your watch this kind of time. For example, right now 9 o'clock, yes, and 15 minutes. In this situation, you can answer this question. What time is it? What time is it? Like 15 минут 10. 15 минут 10. 15 minutes. And next hour 10. Therefore, we say 15 минут 10. 15 минут 10. Or 20 минут 10. 20 минут 10. Or 25 минут 10. 10 минут первого. 10 минут первого. You see that right now? 10 minutes. Next hour, 1 hour. Therefore we say 10 минут первого. 10 минут первого. Or 15 минут первого. 15 minutes. Next hour, 1 hour. Therefore we say 15 минут первого. But when we see in our watch more 30 minutes, like for example 35 minutes or 40 minutes, in this situation we often say like без 22. Без 22. Because you see that 20 minutes for next hour. I mean next hour у нас 2. Therefore we say без 20, without 20 minutes. Without 20 minutes. Next hour 2. Therefore we say без 22. Без 22. Or без 15. 2. Without 15 minutes. Without 15 minutes. Therefore we say без 15. Без 15. Без 10. Without 10 minutes. Without 10 minutes. For next hour. Без 22. Без 20. Sorry. Без 10. Без 10. Or of course you can answer more easy and more simple, like I told you at the very beginning of this video, like right now час 50. 1 час 50. What time is it? 1 час 50. Understand? Or we can add in our sentences when we talk about time these kind of Russian words like часы, I mean hours, and минуты, minutes. For example, what time is it? Right now 4 часа 15 минут. 4 часа 15 минут. It's more easy and more simple if you really know how you can answer this question, and if you don't want to confuse in this answer, because it's I know that it's very difficult for you if you have only beginner level. Therefore answer only like this: 4 часа 15 минут. 6 o'clock and 40 minutes. Therefore we say 6 часов 40 минут. 6 часов 40 minutes. Understand? It's very easy. It's very simple for you. Of course, and undoubtedly that real native Russian speakers sometimes answer this question more beautiful, more difficult, like без четверти 5, без 38, and so on. But I'm native Russian speaker and I know how we real native Russian speaker answer this question almost every day. We say only, like, for example, right now 9 часов, or 9:15, or 12:00, or 12:35. Understand? Don't come up with different difficulties in your Russian speech. Say and speak more easy, more simple, because a real native Russian speaker will understand you anyway. If you will answer this question, what time is it? Only like now 7 o'clock. In Russian language it sounds like сейчас 7 часов or 7:00, 7:00, 7:00. Very easy, very simple. Just you should know all Russian numbers. I repeat one more time that for this issue, for this topic, when we talk about time, you should know all Russian numbers, how you can pronounce these Russian numbers, how all these numbers call and name in Russian speech. I hope you understand me. So if you like this video, if you understand everything, please put like, write in comment. But if you didn't understand something, write in comments. I will explain to you one more time, and or just watch this video till the end. If you like this video, if I deserved, please subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.